Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's open the settings. They should be in the left lower corner, of course, in this configuration. So let's tap on them, and here we've got the timer. So the third position is connected with the timer. We've got three different options, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll choose 10 seconds delay. It is notified also in the shutter button, so you can always check whether you've got the timer set or not. So now let's simply tap on it, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 5 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, of course you can turn this option off. Just go to the settings again and tap on this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.